Whiplash, the 1941 Willys now getting ready to go to take on the Monster Lobster Crustacean in tonight's Grudge match right here on the MTA YouTube channel. Whiplash now staged in the far lane. Crustacean is ready to go here in the near lane. One of these bad boys is take home tonight's Grudge match win. Green light going down. Off the line they go, they're hanging fairly even. Up over no man's land, a nice wheel stand by Crustacean. But I don't think it was enough to take out Whiplash there in the end. We're going back down now to an MTA replay. Gonna rewatch who won this race. Right here off the line, both trucks cut a great light. They're hanging fairly even down the first straight stretch. Watch right here through no man's land. Crustacean with a nice pogo wheelie up and over the last set of cars, and right there, you see it. Your winner is gonna be Whiplash over Crustacean. Thank you guys so much for coming out and watching this YouTube short. Be sure to crush that subscribe button, and I'll catch you down the road.